Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today we have another advent calendar. This one has arrived from England as well. I believe it was sitting at the airport for a little while and I don't know why, but apparently they must have items that just kind of, I guess, get there ready to go to the United States, and maybe there has to be customs or something that, has to clear it. But it came in this box and it was a little bit beat up, just a tad bit. And on the inside here we have a beauty calendar. This is a 12-day calendar, and I'd like to welcome you all to my channel if I haven't done that already. I really appreciate you, and I hope you enjoy this Advent calendar series, and be sure and stick around and I'll give you more details on the giveaway that we're having with the Advent calendar series. But today we are going to do Game of Thrones Revolution 12-day Advent calendar of the Game of Thrones with Revolution Makeup Beauty. That's kind of a tongue tire, isn't it? What do you think? Have you heard of the Game of Thrones? I had not heard of the Game of Thrones 12 Days of Christmas. I seen this on there when I was shopping for some other things, and I thought, I'm going to get that. Now, I got the Charlotte Tilbury, and that was my pricey makeup 12-day advent calendar for $200. This one I can happily say is much affordable. It is $55, and currently it was $41.40. They had marked it down. I think if you order over a certain amount you get free shipping, so keep that in mind when you're checking out some of these advent calendars. But this is a 12-day makeup calendar and we are going to check it out. So I'm all excited to see what they have for the Game of Thrones. How many of you watched the Game of Thrones? Have you watched any of them? I've watched a few of them. I don't watch the series, but I did watch the initial movie with Bradley Cooper and Jennifer Lawrence, I think. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So we got days 1 through 12, and we're going to go through here and see what they have got for us as far as makeup. And all this makeup is going to be the brand Revolution, okay? Box number 1 is over here, and we're going to take that right out of there. Well, easy for me to say. It's in there kind of tight. And we got box number 1, and inside box number 1 we have some paper. Oh goody. And number 1 we have a mirror. Look at there. On the back side of this mirror, I guess you would know what this might represent. So we have a mirror, and this is a purse mirror or pocket-sized mirror. You can look at your face real quick, it looks like, but you can slip down into your purse. So that's our first item. And the next we have number 2, and what do we have in here? It's a House of Stark, and it's a Revolution. Ooh, a palette. The warm pink shimmer palette, because it's got all these pinks in there with a little bit of purple there down at the bottom, so you'd be able to get a smoky look out of that and brighten your eyes, whichever way you'd like to do it. But that's a nice little palette. I love the colors. I like to use the purples and the pinks. Very nice. So that's our second item. Now we're going on to box number 3. Box number 3 is a little box, and it is right here. Oh, and it's something red, and it is a makeup sponge. I don't know that I've ever seen a red one. I've seen a black one now. I see lots of pink ones, and light pinks, dark pinks. Now we have a red makeup sponge. All right, so we can get our makeup on. Now we're going to number 4. Number 4 is a small one. Ooh, look at that. We have a lippy, no doubt. Let's see about this. This is a nude lipstick, and I don't know if I can't read the color, it's just too small. Just says it's a satin lipstick. I would just have to say that is definitely a nude. I love the packaging, isn't that cool? Now number 5 is the same size box. We may have another lippy in here. Let's see. Number 5. And number 5 we have another lippy, and it's in the bullet form. And I don't know, can y'all see that texture on there? It's all nice and shiny and silver. And this here is a pink color. So very nice. And it just says that it's a satin matte lipstick. So we got 2 lipsticks so far. A real nude, and I'd say that's like a light pink. And number 6 is over here. And it is in this box. And in number 6 we have mascara. And of course this is by Revolution. All of these makeup products will be by Revolution. And I'm not going to open it up because it is sealed. And so we'll keep it all intact. Our next box is number 7, and it is right here. And let's see what we have in here. It feels like, ooh, got us some nice eyelashes. Those are very nice. Revolution eyelashes. So we're just going to be able to get all dolled up here just in this one packet. And remember, this is $55, but today, when I looked on there, they had it reduced to $41. I don't know how long that'll be. At one point, it was sold out. So I don't know if they're having a special on it or what, but that is a great price for some makeup, and this will make a great gift and a very affordable gift. Okay, in box number 8, we have another palette, and this is the House of Lannister. And inside here, ooh, we have the orange palette. Aren't those pretty colors? I know we've seen a bunch of different orangey ones for the fall. I think this one is just gorgeous. And it probably doesn't give it justice. That orange is like super, super bright there. And in the middle, that's red. Just as red as it can be. So that is a nice eyeshadow palette. Very, very nice. 2 eyeshadow palettes. That is very good. That was number 8. Now we're going on to number 9. And in number 9, it looks like we might have, well, I'm not sure what we're going to have. This is the box. And inside this box we have, ooh, a lip gloss. And it is liquid, actually it's liquid shadow. Excuse me, we have some liquid shadow here. It's called the Game of Thrones Liquid Shimmer Shadow. And it's sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. But isn't that a pretty color? Alright, well, now let's go to number 10 and see what it is. It's in the same size box as number 9. And this is 10. And inside here, we have lip gloss. So now this is a lip gloss, and that's a very pretty color of lip gloss. I love that red. It's like a blue red. It's very pretty. And it's not sealed, so I'm going to open it up so you can see it. Isn't that a pretty color? Oh yeah, that'll be very nice, very nice. I like that, and I like the packaging. It's very, very nice. Day number 10, we're on to 11, so we're getting real close here. And again, this is my very affordable makeup 12-day calendar that I had picked out. There were several that I could choose from, and I liked this one. This is number 11. I just thought it would be a little different. And in number 11, we have the Game of Thrones Fixing Spray. So this here is going to be our setting spray, and they call it the Fixing Spray. But look at the packaging. Everything just looks really good. See how the mist is. Oh yeah, nice little mist. It's very refreshing. Alright, so we have some setting spray, and they call it Fixin' Spray. That's kind of funny. Do y'all use fixin'? Because fixin' in Texas, we use that a lot in our language. We're fixing to do something all the time. And fixin' means that you're going to be doing it like right away. It's not I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm fixing to do it tomorrow. It's you're fixing to do it right now. Okay, guys, we're on number 12, and it's a little heavy. And let's see what we have on day 12. We have Revolution Primer. Oh, yeah. So, and this is a nice little pump as well. So, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to see if I can pump out just a little bit. I want to see what it feels like. There it is. And I want to Put the lid back on nice and tight. It doesn't really have a strong scent, which is good. I always like it when it has a light scent. Very, very good. So that was our 12-day advent calendar. So, what do y'all think? Do you have a favorite? I have a favorite or two. This is what it would look like when it comes to you with all the items inside. In this particular calendar, my favorite items is, I liked this orange eyeshadow palette. I like this red, blue-red lip gloss. I also liked the pink eyeshadow palette and the fixing spray. That stuff wasn't too bad. What do you think? I mean, I have it on my face. I fixed my face. So, okay, guys, as a recap, we got the two palettes. We got the orange palette. We got the pink palette. We got the setting spray. We got the primer. We got the lippy lip gloss that's red. We got two bullet lippies, very nice packaging. One is a real nude, the other one is a pink, like a light pink. Like, here we go. See, that's a nice little color of pink. And the other one was nude. Just so you remember, so one could go with your pink palette, one with the orange palette. Then we had our compact mirror, and we got our eyelashes, and we got our shimmer shadow. So I don't know, I think this was a good box. Oh yeah, and one more thing. We had our makeup sponge. So I think this was a good buy. What do you think? Do you have somebody that would be interested in the 12-day advent calendar? It's all makeup, everything that they can use. If they were to get this set, they would be able to do a full look, provided that they had some foundation, or, you know, if you're young, you might not even need any foundation. That is the calendar, and I really like it. So let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like it? Do you have a favorite in this one? I have really enjoyed bringing you the Advent Calendar series. We will have some more, and this was number 6. So we have a few more that are coming. Did get another one in the mail today, so I'll be showing that later on this week. And the ones that are pre-ordered, I don't know that they've even shipped yet. So we'll just have to wait and see. But with each Advent Calendar series, there's going to be a giveaway for each video, and at the end there's going to be an overall winner for the Advent calendar that I am curating. And if you want to see that calendar, a little sneaky peek, you'd have to go back and watch the very first one, which was the Pretty Little Thing Home Fragrance 12-day Advent calendar. And they're all wonderful to see. Down in the descriptions, I try to put them all down in the order so that if you want to go down there and click on a specific one, you can. You're certainly welcome to do that. You can also check out my descriptions, because some of my giveaways are open to US and Canada. Some are just US, and then I do have one that's international. Now let's get to the rules of this giveaway. In this giveaway, you must be 18 years or older. For this giveaway, you must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, and you need to use a code word. And our code word is going to be GAME. Use the word GAME in a sentence down below in your comments, and you will be entered in this giveaway, and also for a chance to win the overall Advent calendar that is going to be given out at the end of this series. Now this will last till December 1st. December 1st is when I'll be announcing all the winners for all the videos, and I'm not quite sure exactly how many yet. So I haven't told you a certain amount, I just have told you a date that it'll cut off. On that day, I will announce all the winners. YouTube and or Revolution, any of these brand names that I may have shown, they are not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. Everything has been purchased on my own, and this particular giveaway, I'm not sure what it's going to be, but it could very well be some of the items that you just saw in this particular Advent calendar, along with some other goodies. So it is Christmas time, and we are getting ready for that, so you can just be assured that it'll be a nice giveaway for you. Now, with that said, that's all I have for the Game of Thrones 12-day Advent calendar, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.